Uncle Don and I, we are making
peanut butter bread with only 5 ingredients. Peanut butter, eggs, sugar, vinegar, baking soda. That's it.
That's it.
So it's either gonna be bread.
Bread.
Yeah. So it's either gonna be really bad or really good. So about to find out.
Finger crossed.
So we have 1 cup of peanut butter, eggs right there. 1, 2, a mixer with the peanut butter. Okay. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So you do it like this, see? You scrape it. And 1 teaspoon of granular sugar. I'm gonna drop this in. Always start slow with the mixer. Now it says to split the batter between the 2 pans, but that doesn't seem like, I'm just gonna do 1.
Maybe 1 cookie dough.
No. Okay, so I had to increase the time a little bit because I put it all in 1 container. So instead of 25 minutes, it ran for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, okay? So, take it out. Get another. Oh, and you need to put a knife in and come out clean. Watch out, this is really hot.
That slice about 150 calories. Wow, this looks like a bread.
Oh my God, and that's weird.
That's 90 calories. I feel so good. Cheers.
Cheers. It's almost like the peanut butter went away.
No. Are we supposed to put peanut butter on top? The texture is good. Actually, it's a little dry.
Okay, that's pretty weird. I don't think it's dry. I mean, if you touch it.
I want to know. But what happens to the peanut butter flavor? Is it completely gone?
I mean, it's there a tiny bit, but it tastes just like nothing.
Are we supposed to put peanut butter on the top? I don't know. I feel like it's kind of like a fail.
It's still steamy. It's moist. Here, try this piece.
Wait. I can smell the peanut butter. But
Can't taste it.
The inside tastes like a sponge cake a little bit.
But it doesn't taste like peanut butter.
Yeah, like they just lift the peanut butter away.
That's weird.
I feel when you put peanut butter, when you dip this in the peanut butter. Now put peanut butter. But still, very weird. I don't know if I like it though.
I think it needs, I'll tell you what, I don't think it needs peanut butter.
So Don doesn't think we need peanut butter. We're gonna put fig. That thing is super sweet. Oh my god. So that slide now become 500 calorie.
Okay, so now we have,
This way.
you can see it's still steaming, and we have some fig jam on there. That's good. It's actually really good.
So it's like a breakfast basically. I guess I need to remove peanut butter, then I'm okay. It tastes like a bread. No flavor but bread. A little hint of a peanut butter flavor. You guys try it. Let me know how you like it. If you like this type of cooking video, leave a comment below. Yeah.
He doesn't like anything except Chinese.
Let's make hot pot.
Bye.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Check out Uncle Don's Instagram account.
Epicurious _ Uncle Don.
Okay, bye.
Bye.